Am I recording?
Yeah, tag.
You sure? Oh, you dickhead. Oh, this is where Ellie goes over.
Push her in! Selena's going in. Selena's getting a lean on.
Oh, that was cold. Oh. Get out of our way. What are you guys doing? Learn to drive. Ellie, now you can kiss him on the neck as you paddle.
Now Mike can make out with you.
We chose a Clear Creek rafting tow, no real specific reason,
Oh
and we
my
went
God.
rafting in July, and the water was still freezing. I do recommend going closer towards the beginning of the year. When we went, the water was kind of low, so the sooner you go in the year, the higher the water will be.
Beat it, nerds. Nice helmet.
Mike doesn't know his left from right. This would have been sick in a kayak.
Your mom.
Yeah. Green boats suck. Oh, it's raining. We're gonna get wet. Not Allie. She's dry next to Mike. It's a Sahara desert down there. Look out, nerds!
There it is.
You're welcome.
If you go as late in the year as we did, get the harder level. So if we went on level 4, we should have done a level 5 because that's the water level basically. So the more rapids you want, the bigger the level you want to get. And if the water's low, you definitely want to go up one level.
My balls are cold. Holy shit. Holy shit, I almost went out. Yeah. Did I hit you with the paddle? Sorry. Yeah, I thought I was going over sure. You should have.
Being in the water, we were there about an hour actually rafting. And then let's say another hour for the driving to and from the pickup and drop off.
Mike hurt his girl hands.
They do provide the life jackets and the wetsuits and the helmet, and you also get photos of your rafting trip included, which actually came out really well. The video makes the whitewater rafting not look as fun as it was. It makes each wave smaller than it is in real life. You do need to make a reservation, and there's a down payment for the reservation. It's about $50 a person. It depends on which one you're doing though. So again, the link for the website is in the description below, so check that out. Honestly, there's not much skill involved. The instructor guy behind you just tells you which way to paddle, and that's it.
No. Snort. See the flamingo? Somebody's paddle. There's Allie.
Get wet, dirt.
Yeah. Oh. Fuck. Yeah, right into my armpit underneath the suit.
This idiot called it a seagull.
There are some down times where it's just completely flat and you're just floating along. And it kind of sucks. It was a cloudy, rainy day when we went, but it was still like nice just to like be in the water and float around.
Oh shit! Holy shit!
Oh, down my shirt.
Sarah gets kind of bored when no one goes swimming.
Should have told me. I would have threw Mike out. All right, I'm ready to go home.
Overall, I thought it was wicked fun. There was a lot of scary moments. There was a moment I almost fell out, and the only part that did suck was the cold. I think that was, in my opinion, the only negative, besides not having the crazy waves or the rapids. We should have done level 5 instead of level 4. And as always, my name is Derek Salamanca. Subscribe. I got a bunch of adventure travel videos coming out. This is Navy. She'll probably be in some more videos too. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'm always checking them out and answer them, or shoot me a message. Kelly, say hi.